Hello, this is my normal blog written in WordPress. But when you scroll down to this blog, you will see a simple crossword puzzle. At first, it looks like a simple plain crossword puzzle, but it is not. You can interact with it. Any visitor can interact with it. For example, when I clicked on this fun, obviously it's going from top to down, then it shows me the hint for this online educational method using digital resources. What is it known as? It's e-learning, isn't it? Similarly, if I click on 2, you can see the hint, learning management system for online tutoring. And it is Moodle. I know about it. Or maybe something else. I do not know about it. That's why it is a crossword puzzle. So you can provide this kind of crossword puzzle to your students as well with the help of WordPress. Obviously, WordPress is just a medium. Here, I have used a HTML5 program which is known as H5P, which is free and open source. And it's very easy to create. I just filled this form in order to create this exercise. For example, you can see the clue is given here and the answer is given here. I just created multiple clue and answer pair and it created the crossword for me automatically. It just do not show the hint on top, but it also displays the across hints and your answers here and down this hints and answers here. And not only I have done it, but if you look at this website, which is ESLCourses.com, they have created a huge list of crosswords created with the help of H5P. If I look at it, they are looking like this. And if you want to do so, you can do so just with the help of H5P. For that, we are offering a masterclass this Saturday. You can join it. We also have a course on H5P and we also offer a practice account where you can practice with H5P. And it's very easy and every teacher must learn about it. If you want to know more, the link is given in the description of this video. I request you to join the masterclass and learn about it in depth. Thank you very much.